Apex Createx Scratch Finish. FLEXI Finish. Groovy Woods. Tools required. Application procedure for FLEXI Finish. Groovy Woods. Layer 1. Surface preparation plus primer. Prepare a surface by solving all the surface related issues. Apply coat of primer by means of exterior roller. Surface should be leveled enough to have a uniform coating of Apex Createx. Layer 2. Application of Apex Createx pattern coat. Apex Createx is applied over the surface by means of a putty blade. Pattern is created by tapping fiber trowel's edge, creating a horizontal line-like structure. Gentle buffing is to be done to flatten the edges by means of putty blade. Allow this coat to dry for 12 to 16 hours. Layer 3. Application of top coat 1. 2 coats of Apex Ultima are applied by using exterior range roller. Make sure that top coat is deposited uniformly. Allow drying time of 4 to 6 hours between the successive coats. Layer 4. Application of top coat 2. 1 coat of Apex Ultima is applied by using sponge roller. Material should be deposited superficially. Should not be deposited inside the grooves. Coverage. Apex Createx Scratch Finish. 3 to 3.5 square feet per kg for 1 coat. Apex Ultima top coat. 40 to 50 square feet per liter for 2 coats. Application area for exterior and interior surfaces.
और साथ साथ हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बेल आइकन दबाइए और लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर जरूर कीजिएगा। Sehgal contractor, Asian paint.